Alright, welcome back to another Nifty Network video. Today we have a G35 coupe and we just did spark plugs on it, and I'm going to show you how to route your engine harness. It is very common. I would say #1 problem people have after doing spark plugs. They'll be like, I just did my spark plugs and now the car has a misfire. So I'm going to show you how to properly route the harness, and that is also the same on a 350Z DE, rev up, G35 coupe, and G35 sedan. Just mainly DE and rev up motors. That's what we're going over today. If you're trying to find a P0300 random multiple misfire code, make sure to keep everything organized, because if you start swapping coil packs, your coil pack could be the issue. So just keep everything how it was, test what you need to test. So like on this one, see how that coil pack doesn't have a sticker on it like that one does? This is your 5th cylinder, so it's 1, 3, 5, and you can always tell what cylinder is what, because #1 is the farthest one forward, and that's how it gets its location. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The passenger side's a lot easier than the driver's side, not to mess up at least, because it looks right on the harness. Okay, so now is the very intricate part. It's not hard, it's just intricate. So we have the coil packs in, and we're going to look at our harness right now. And what I'll do is I'll hold the end of the harness, and then you're going to look at it and you're going to see that everything kind of has a way that it wants to sit. And when you're looking up the harness, once you have this solenoid plugged in, you're going to see 1 plug, 2 plug, and 3 plugs. This first one goes to the #2. The one that comes out of the same part of the loom right here is #6. That's going to go to the farthest coil pack. And then the next one up is going to go to the #4, which is the center coil pack. So let's get this laid down. And it may sound stupid, like if you're doing this and your harness is just laid out and it falls right into place, and you're like, I don't understand why he's being so weird about that. I've personally fixed like probably between 20 and 50 cars. Somebody will do their spark plugs and they'll be like, the car was running good, I just wanted to maintenance it, now it has a misfire. I'll walk up to the car and fix it in under 2 minutes, because these always get swapped. So what I like to do is, we're still working our way up the harness, and we're going to plug the #6 coil pack in. Like I said, make sure you hear that click. And then we're going to do the #4. If you do your coil packs, or if you do your spark plugs and you have a misfire after, check that.